Hello everyone, welcome to Click Python. So today we are going to start our new tutorial on a Kiwi, in which you will be learning how to deploy many applications like a video player, uh, a paint app or weather app, and many professional applications. So that and we will also deploy these applications on a Play Store so that anybody in the world can easily use your app. So let's get started. So in this video we will be making different buttons having different position hint, and also we will resize the size of a screen to a size of a mobile app, and we will change the color of a screen. So first of all, you have to make a file. You can name it whatever you want. So as you can see, I have already made this file. Name is video.py. So with this file you have to also make a .kiwi file. You can name it whatever you want. So in .py file we are going to import Kiwi. So from mistake. So from kiwi.app import app, and also we will be importing a box layout. So from kiwi.uix.box layout import box layout. So box layout is basically a widget in which we will define our buttons and labels and all that. So now we will be making a class. You can name it whatever you want. Class will be my video, which will inherit from our widget, which is box layout. So let's pass it. Passing it means without adding any method, just pass it. So now we will be making another class called video app, which will inherit from app. As you can see, I have already imported the Kiwi app. So with this class you have to define a function, that is default function in that you have to make in every app. Define build self. So this is a basic function you have to make in every class, every app class. So just return my video, and now run our app. So if name is equal to main video app dot run. So to make an application in a Kiwi using Python, you need not to have a great knowledge about Python. So to make application in Kiwi, you have to follow just simple syntax. You have to make this file like this in every app you are going to make. So let's add some button to a .kiwi file. So you have to remember a thing, that you have to make this same class, that is my video, in .kiwi file. You have to make the same class in both the files. So this is my video. So our class was my video, video, which will inherit from box layout. As you can see, this class is also inherit from box layout. So in Kiwi we will to import we have to use @ symbol. box layout. So now we'll be adding a button. So let's give a orientation. Orientation means how your button will look, how your button or a label will look like, whether they will horizontal or a vertical. So I am giving here vertical. So now add some button will be text will be well1. So now give a size hint. I am giving here a 0.3 0.3 is a basic size of a button. So I am giving here a position hint. The position hint will be center x, comma center x will be 0.5, comma center y. Center x and center y means the button will be at the center of our screen. So let's save this and run our first. So before running, let's add some more button. Copy it and just paste it. We'll be making 4 buttons. So let's differentiate this position hint so that every position has its own position. So this will be bottom point 23. This will be center x, and this will be just center x. Center means center x, only center x means at the bottom center of the screen. So this will be x 0.3, comma top 0.12. So let's save all this. Let's see that our buttons are correct. So let's run this app. So you will see a screen having different buttons. Oh, we forget to import .kv file. So you have to remember this, that you have to import this .kv file. So for that we have to import. So from kiwi.lang import builder. So builder dot load file, and load file will be first dot kiwi. So now we have loaded our file. So let's run it once more, and you will see a black window having 4 buttons. So this is looking some odd screen. So let's resize the size of this screen to a size of a mobile app. So also we will change this black color to white. So let's close it and add import a file from kiwi dot core dot window import window. So window dot size, you can give here any parameter whatever you want. I am giving here 350 comma 600. I think it is the size of a mobile. So let's change the color of our screen. So window dot clear color, this will be 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. This means a white color screen. So let's run this once more. Oh, there is error. You have to give here a equal sign. So let's save it and run it. So you can see a screen equal to a mobile screen, and it is having a white color. So this is all for the today's video. So in the next video we will be giving functionality to the button. So you can see here, when I press this button there is no change in the screen. So in the next video we will be working on this, and also following this series we will be making a video player app. So goodbye for today. We will meet in the next video. Goodbye.